Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. This is Ashok from TechiBee and today we have another ROM which is called as Pixel Experience ROM for MIA1 and which is built by one of the XDA member called Soti. So without wasting any time, let's take a look on that ROM. So this will be the first look of the ROM. It comes pre-installed with Pixel Launcher. Long pressing home screen will take you to the launcher setting. Here you can customize the launcher, like notification dot can be enabled at a glance, and you can also enable or disable option to add icons on the home screen. This ROM also has pre-installed live wallpapers and Google wallpapers which can be found here. First, taking a look inside the settings, going to system, about phone, and here you can see Android version 8.1 with a security patch of 5th March 2018. And guys, this is one of the stable ROM which I have found out. Very smooth, did not find any kind of issues. One minor issue is there which I'll let you know at the end of the video. And talking about the installation process, I'll not be showing installation process in this video. Instead, I'll put up a video in the description below. You can follow that video and install this ROM. This ROM comes with Google App Package, so you don't have to separately flash Google App Package. It is included inside the ROM. So you just have to flash the ROM. Along with that, you need to flash Magisk Manager 16.0, which I have flashed. So guys, first of all, as you can see, Volt services are working here. There's no network drop till now. Talking about camera is also working fine. I did not face any issues, and also third-party cameras are working. Like I've been using open camera, which works fine, did not have any issues on this also. Going to settings, and this ROM is not much customizable, only basic settings. You get complete Pixel experience from Pixel devices, and here you have network and internet, which gives you basic settings of your network. After that, you have connected devices, like Bluetooth is working fine, battery. Under display, you have option of ambient display, which also have an option of left to check the phone. So this I'll show you later. Then you have device theme. You have lots of themes available here. You can choose any of these. Then you also have UI style, under which you have dynamic, light, dark or black. You can choose any of these. Under sounds, you get basic settings, security and location. Under this, fingerprint sensor is working fine, but only one issue under fingerprint is you cannot enroll fingerprints more than 5 times. That means you cannot delete any older fingerprint. For that, I have mentioned a link in the description below. You can follow that guide and delete the old fingerprints. After that, basic settings under accessibility, and the last under system. Here you have little bit of customizations of buttons. Here you can enable navigation bar, hardware keys can be enabled or disabled, few options of volume rockers. Then you have gestures, under which you have jump to camera, which is working fine. If the screen is locked, you just press the power button twice, the device will open camera application. Then you have lift to check. So if you have any kind of notification, you just lift your device, which will show you the notification. So there is no notification available, it is not showing now, but personally tested, this is working fine. Under settings, at the bottom, you'll again find one more option of gestures, which consist of ambient display, hand wave, pulse notification on pickup, pocket mode, and the last one is proximity wake. So hand wave, pickup mode, everything is working fine. I'll show you hand wave. If the screen is off, you just need to wave your hand on the sensor. It will show you the notifications available on your device. So only these are the customization option, and it is buttery smooth. I have not faced any kind of issues since half an hour I've been using this. Talking about battery backup, I'll update it on my Facebook page. By tomorrow, I'll update the first cycle, and now I'll show you the benchmark results, what I have got it on this ROM. Talking about Geekbench application, under this, single core scored 880, wherein multi-core scored 4391. Not bad results, pretty good results on this ROM. Now going with Antutu Bench application, under this results are 80,156. So guys, these are the results on this ROM, and you can compare it with my previous videos like Lineage OS, AOKP ROM. I'll put up all the links in the description below. So guys, as of now, only this much in this video. If you have any kind of questions, do let me know in the comment section below, and also visit the XDA page where you can get all the information about the ROM. So guys, that's all for today, and if you like the video, do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.